If you are looking for such type of designs by which you can decorate your interior wall with artificial grass, then you are at the right place. Cause in this video I am gonna show you the beautiful artificial wall grass decor ideas. Watch this video complete. It's no secret that growing a living green wall panel can take a huge chunk of time and cost at design. Fortunately, with our grass wall made collection, you can bring a realistic garden look and feel into your space without all the work of raising live plants. We all love to add innovations to our life. Therefore, we want to make changes in our living spaces from time to time. For example, you want to make a change in your home interior. You are bored with the reinforced concrete image of big sites and you want to have a green, natural, peaceful home. Then let's introduce you to artificial grass. It is a long-lasting and useful product produced by using artificial turf synthetic yarns, harmless to health, free of chemicals. Artificial grass usage areas are very wide. You have all heard that artificial turf is used in sports field. Artificial grass produced due to the unsuitable of natural grass is used in many different fields today. These artificial grasses, which have the same natural grass look, are quite advantageous. Today, a new one has been added to the areas where artificial grass is used. These areas are that includes wall decoration or landscape applications. For example, if you want to do landscape work for garden landscaping or a cafe, you can choose artificial grass. It is highly preferable because it is both aesthetically beautiful and durable. In other words, with artificial grass, you can cover a wall of your house and add a lush green look to your home interior. Just think about it. A wall of your house is covered with a green lawn and you have hung pots or decorative objects filled with colorful flowers on it. How beautiful it is! This area is known as the use of artificial grass on the wall. You can use artificial grass in interior design or in exterior design. With peace of mind, you can use artificial grass coating for interior and exterior wall design especially. So this is all about some ideas of artificial grass wall decor. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe us for more videos like this. Thank you so much.